गोंयच्या दर्यार ग्रेस्त आणि अतिग्रेस्त लोक बीच वेडिंग करपाक गर्दी करता. ताचो खर्च पळयल्यार सर्वसामान्य लोकांक परवडपाचो ना. ह्या बीच वेडिंगांतल्यान सरकाराक बरीच येणावळूय येता. 2 दिसां पयलीं पर्यावरण हवामान खात्यान नोटिफिकेशन काडून बीच वेडिंगाची फी वाडोवन दिसाक 1 लाख केली म्हूण सांगिल्लें. मात आतां सरकाराचो परत यू टर्न. बीच वेडिंगाची फी 5 दिसांक 1 लाख केल्या. 6व्या दिसा उपरांत दिसाक 10,000 एडिशनल.
I have to admit that there was a typographical error when typing the notification. The truth is, there has been no hike at all in fees. The prevailing fees continue as per the notification that was issued way back in January 2024. The same fees apply. Unfortunately, when sending the notification with revised rates for some other items under the CRZ Act, there was a mistake when typing, and instead of putting 5 days, no, everything is same. Everything is same. There is no change in anything. It was just a typing mistake. Everything is same. Not a paise increased. The 5 days, as you say, continue. 10,000 rupees for every additional day thereafter for that event. As far as there is a 75% concession for government corporations, autonomous bodies, charitable trusts, schools, institutions, and for sports events.
ब्युरो रिपोर्ट प्रुडंट.